So, welcome everyone. Let us discuss about the direct speech to indirect speech conversion. So, the punctuations that I am going to discuss in this video. So, in direct speech, the words actually spoken should be in quotes and always begin with a capital letter. Okay, if you see there the example, you can understand. Yes, so in direct speech, the words actually spoken should be in quotes and always begin with a capital letter. Remember that. Only that says that is a direct speech. Yes, so Maya said, comma, I am busy now. That is the original words of the speaker is inside quotation. Maya said, comma, I am busy now. Yes, so when it is in direct speech, we are supposed to put the words, actual spoken words, in quotes, and the beginning letter should be in capital inside the quotation, the words inside the quotation. Then full stop, comma, exclamation or question mark are placed inside the closing inverted comma. Okay, should be inside the closing inverted, placed inside the closing inverted comma. Okay, so now so if there is a question mark after the question mark, because that is a statement, I am busy now. Yes, so what are you doing, where are you from? Okay, there is a question mark, and after the question mark only we are supposed to close the quotes in direct speech. And if it is an exclamation or any punctuation mark, that should be inside the quotes. It should not be outside the quotes, because the original words of the speaker, what is told in direct speech. So the quotation mark tells that it is the original words of someone. So whatever it is, the punctuation of the sentence should be inside the quotes. Yes, that is one important thing, the punctuations that we are supposed to remember when we write in direct speech. So direct speech, like he shouted, shut up, or something, the exclamations. Yes, remember the exclamation should be inside the quotations. And direct and indirect speech conversions. So we have so here for example, I am busy now. So it is now, the real words of the person he tells now. So when in indirect speech we with our own words tell about the another's word, we say that she was busy then. So the words indirect changes in indirect. Example, now becomes then, here becomes there, ago becomes before, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes next day, this becomes that, and yesterday becomes the day before, these becomes those. Yes, come becomes go, next week or month becomes following week or following month. We are supposed to remember these things. I am busy now. So when I say the other person word in my words, she was busy then. So now becomes then. Yes, those things also we are supposed to remember. And what are the other changes that we are supposed to remember? Conversion from direct to indirect speech. Let us see. So first one is the quotation, punctuations. The second one is the words which changes from direct to indirect speech. The change of time, that is actually. Then the other words like reporting, converting, the rules for converting indirect speech into direct speech is yes, the time expression does not change if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense. Okay, it remains same. So that is now became then, that's it. So that point of words never changes. So the time expression does not change if the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense. Okay, so like he says my girlfriend came yesterday. When I change it into the indirect speech, he say that his girlfriend had come the day before. Okay, yesterday, instead of yesterday, I'm using the day before. In indirect speech, I'm not going to use the same word. Yes, definitely for each time expression, we have another word in indirect form, as I discussed previously. Okay, remember those things. And I becomes in some places she, and or he. It depends according to the form that we explain. Yes, so that is all about direct and indirect speech. We have shared very few rules